The waves have been crashing along the rocky coastline of Newfoundland as of late, and that trend will not stop today. In fact, we do have some strong winds expected today across Newfoundland, anywhere from 40, possibly gusting as high as 60. And as a result of that, the surf, of course, will be up. We do have rainfall that's going to be moving through today. And in general, for areas like Gander and St. John's, Newfoundland, we'll see between 5 and 15 millimeters of rain as the system progresses through. Another story that we're following is through Ontario. We do have rainfall, especially to the west of North Bay. There could be anywhere between 15 and 25 millimeters of rain on the way. Across the lower lakes, more in the range of, say, 5 to 15 millimeters of rain. And we will see at times some gustier winds, but the interesting story with this is just the change of pattern that's underway. We have snowfall in northern Ontario expected north of Geraldton, anywhere between 10 and 20 centimeters of snow. So really, this is just indicative of the season. You know, we're approaching the end of October, and now we're starting to talk about snow in the north and northwest of the province. Across the prairies, we already have seen at times some snowfall. We have three features that are going on here. One is a stationary, or actually frontal boundary. It's not stationary, across Saskatchewan, including Regina and Weyburn, between 2 and 4 centimeters of snow as we get into the early part of tomorrow. Saskatoon, you're right on the edge of that. Most of the snowfall would be off to your east. Then we do have the lake effect. That's one of the stories across the Manitoba Lakes and also across the Great Lakes in general as we progress through this pattern change. We're going to start to see some snowfall. The wind chills for this evening are not going to be terribly cold across the prairies, but the weather trend is toward getting much, much colder as we see that cold air plunging in across the Great Lakes in the next few days.